Please bring back my son to me. You know I am a widow and I am poor. Don't do this to me.
Madam, you have to leave here. You will not see your son again.
My God will speak for me, and one day he will bring my son back home.
What if I told you what you just watched was all created with AI? That's exactly what you just saw. And today, I'll show you how. For years, cinematic videos needed expensive equipment, actors, and a whole team. But AI has changed the game. Most tools still look fake, but I wanted something real, something emotional. That's when I found LumeFlow AI. With LumeFlow, I created a full Nollywood-style scene with AI. No camera, no actors, just pure creativity. This is the future of filmmaking.
Now, let's get started. Step 1. Image generation. Every cinematic story begins with a moment. So first, you need to generate the key scene image. Inside LumeFlow, you will see an AI image generator here, or go to the left sidebar and find an AI image generator. From here, you can either click on Image to Image or Text to Image. For this video, we will use Text to Image. From here, you can select different models to use, but we will go with Nano Banana Pro. Then come down and enter a cinematic prompt like this. A poor African woman standing in front of a luxury mansion gate. Emotional, cinematic lighting, dramatic atmosphere, ultra-realistic, Nollywood style, 4K detail. After entering in your prompt, come down and pick the size that you want your video to be in. From here, I will select the 16:9 aspect ratio, then select the resolution that you like, either 2K or 4K. After that, select the output image number and click on Create. Within seconds, the result will be ready, and it looked incredible. The lighting is natural, the emotion is real. From here, you can re-prompt or regenerate if you don't like the first image given to you. But this is just the beginning, because now we will bring the image to life. Step 2. Image to video. Now still inside LumeFlow, select Image to Video on the image that you just generated. This is where everything changes. Click here to choose a video model. For the video model, you can either select Seedance 2.0 or Kling 3.0. Seedance 2.0 and Kling 3.0 is known for its realistic lighting, camera motion, and cinematic quality. Scroll down and enter this simple instruction in the prompt box. The camera slowly pushes forward, emotional tension, cinematic realism. The woman says, "Please bring back my son to me. You know I am a widow and I am poor. Don't do this to me." Then make sure the sound option is enabled and pick your video duration, output number, and click on Create. Within moments, the image transformed into a moving cinematic scene with the character talking.
Please bring back my son to me. You know I am a widow and I am poor. Don't do this to me.
The camera moved naturally. The lighting adjusted realistically. The character feels alive with the speech. The next step is where the magic happens. Step 3. Text to video. But LumeFlow doesn't stop there. You can also generate videos directly from text. So to create our second scene, click on Text to Video on the left sidebar. Again, using Kling 3.0 or Seedance 2.0, come down and enter your prompt. For this, I will enter in this. A poor African woman standing in front of a luxury mansion gate. Emotional, cinematic lighting, dramatic atmosphere, ultra-realistic. And click Create. And here is the result.
Madam, you have to leave here. You will not see your son again.
The motion is smooth. The lighting felt cinematic. The realism is incredible. This is no longer just image generation. This is cinematic storytelling. Before I show you how to put them all together to have your full video, let me introduce this last amazing feature. One of the most powerful features inside LumeFlow is the motion mimic. This allows you to apply realistic motion to characters. You can create emotional reactions, natural movement, and cinematic performance, without actors, without cameras. The next one is video extension, which helps you to maintain the same character while also extending your video. They also have other AI tools features like video effects, image effects, and lip sync, and AI story, where you can create a full 5-minute story by just entering in a prompt. This unlocks unlimited creative possibilities. What once required millions now can be created in minutes. This is not just AI. This is the future of storytelling, and it is now accessible to everyone. If you want to create cinematic videos like this, you can try LumeFlow AI using the link in the description. To add all your scenes together, you can use CapCut, and you will have your full video ready to be posted. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.